Hello guys, this is my honest review of this BLACK+DECKER bit set I've been using for some time. So let me just open this box so you can see what's inside. Here are the different options. You have different bits and you have also an extender. Let me just approach to the camera so you can see better. Here we go. Different options. You can just get one of this and use in your screwdriver like this one that I have here. Let me just show you how it works. Basically, let's pick one of them. Put it here, and you're ready to go. Okay. Then you can also use the extender, which I think is very, very interesting because you can reach places that are far away from your screwdriver, just like this, and you're ready to go. Pretty simple, but pretty useful. Okay, when you're doing your job, for example, you can have this small box that doesn't take much space on your toolbox and use it with your screwdriver. Okay, I've been using it for some time. I like this one and I recommend it.